The search is on to find a murder suspect who skipped bail before his trial set to begin on Monday. And new tonight, we are hearing from the victim's family, Catherine Dyer's sister. KXAN's Chris Davis spoke with them while trying to unravel what looks like a series of miscommunications about why her accused killer was no longer wearing a GPS tracking device.
They thought it was almost over, almost 2 years later.
It doesn't get any easier. You just get used to it.
Tina King is Catherine Dyer's sister. When her accused killer, Mike Waguespack, didn't show up to court Thursday, she says it left her empty.
And now we just get to wait some more.
It also left the bail bondsman holding the bag. Waguespack's family put up collateral to get him out of jail last year with the condition that he wear a GPS monitor. This April, Judge Tamara Needles ordered it to be removed due to, quote, employment concerns. An employee at Freedom Bail Bond says they didn't know the GPS was off until yesterday. Now they have private investigators looking for Waguespack. The Lone Star Fugitive Task Force is tracking down leads too. Both believe he's still in the state.
He knows where the cops are. Just walk up and turn himself in.
Catherine's sister hopes one way or another he's there for the trial Monday.
I mean, I'd much rather they found him now or sometime soon than have to spend the next 15, 20 years of my life wondering where he is and what he's up to. Missing my sister.
Chris Davis, KXAN News.
We asked the district attorney's office today if the judge made a mistake in removing Waguespack's GPS device. The director of the trial division told us, quote, "I think the circumstances speak for themselves."